So we think this is our hotel. Oh, they've got pigeons too. Yep, here's the Fortune. And here's the gate to check in. We'll get a better shot of this a little later. Oh goodness. Glad I'm not driving.
We can do one thing. Yeah. We can have the fun.
We're about to get checked in, but before we do, I just thought I'd have a quick tour of the lobby. Here's the Fortune Deli. Oh, look at that chocolate brownie on the left. It's enormous. And donuts and cakes, and pineapple pastry, chocolate pastry. Oh, what do you know? Hershey's milkshake. I'm thinking that's chocolate milk. They have Sprite in cans. That will make Tim happy. I think that breakfast is included here. I'm not sure if we get lunch here as well or not, but here's a little restaurant. There's a nice little seating area here. Pretty artwork on the wall. Interesting decor over the elevators, lifts. We finally made it to Rajkot, and here is my room. I'm standing with my back to the door. To my right, I'm actually trying to cut off my hair because I see it's a mess in these hours we've been traveling. But here's the closet. 3 handy hangers. Laundry bag. Hopefully the price range is on here. Oh yeah, there's a list of prices to get my laundry done. I did that in Ahmedabad in the Marriott. I hadn't realised it would be so cheap. It was really nice. I was glad they did that. Actually, could have brought a lot less luggage if I'd realised that would be an option. But here are the slippers and the safe. And I don't know what this is. Oh, just a drawer with a rug. Yeah. Not sure if that's a bath mat or quite what. Here's another drawer, just storage. Oops, a crunch. So Tim had to make a stop with Priyank before he came up, so I have everybody's luggage in here right now. As soon as Tim comes and gets his, he's actually next door this time. Here's my little bathroom. Oh, no tub this time, it's just a shower. It was just a shower the last time. This is a Fortune, which is an ITC company. I don't think we've stayed at one of those before. Handy. There's a phone here, spare toilet paper, and they've made the nice little V fold on the bottom of the toilet paper down here. There's a little makeup mirror and the big mirror, just so you can see what mess my hair is again. Oh, this one has a robe. The other one didn't have a robe, just slippers. And some glasses and tissues. Okay, what do we have? Okay, so I've got one towel, one hand towel. I guess this is the bath mat down here. And that just looks like a basket. It's not the waste paper, because here's the waste paper. And morning nectar, flawless skin lotion, shower cap, toothbrush. Oh, nice. Spare towel. Great. Alright, moving on out of the bathroom. perhaps you didn't care about the bathroom. Oh, yeah, this is interesting. So can we see out? Yeah, we can. So, kind of glad I'm not sharing this with someone. But it is opaque, so. I have a king bed this time. Last time I had 2 queens. And remember, they had the nice flower arrangement on there. That was so nice. It was hard to say goodbye to those people. They were so lovely. And one of the little waitresses actually was crying when she said goodbye, which made me cry. So we've got some water, and I guess this is a reading light, and a lamp. And I had to fix the air already because it was set on 21 degrees Celsius, which is much too cool for me. Here is the TV. I don't think I actually turned it on at all in the last hotel. We just stayed busy. Oh, they've got a Tefal kettle or water boiler. So this one doesn't look to hold very much. We had a Tefal before and I really, really liked it. And we'd had it many years. But finally it just wasn't working right. We had to replace it. And the one that we have now is okay, but it's not the same. I liked my Tefal and I couldn't replace it. So they've got a little refrigerator. Whoops. Okay. Oh, look at that strength. Right, the sign on the outside says mini bar. But actually this is empty. And it's barely even cool. So maybe I need to turn it, well, looks like it's, I don't know, maybe this is low. Maybe I should turn it up a little, just on the off chance I might want to put something in it. We'll see if that makes a difference. So they know better. I mean, they've got teacups, or maybe they're coffee cups. They've got coffee here and sugar. Oh, they do have tea bags. Yeah, this is India. They know we drink tea. Why on earth would they put creamer here? Maybe they drink it black. Not me. But look, I like this. So if I use my tea bag, I've got somewhere to put it. What a good plan. Oh, I even have a little live plant in here. That's nice, and this little shelf is handy. It's a reminder to not sit there. At the end is a work desk, and a lamp, and a phone, and another mirror so you can check out my hair one more time. And then I'm going back to the window in a second, but right now I'm coming to the other side of the bed, where we've got another reading lamp so I can see what I'm reading no matter which side I sit on. There's a phone, the remote control, nice little chair and ottoman, and a coat hanger. I think it's for like a suit hanger. It's a coat and pants. That's nice. I haven't had one of those before. But you know what they're missing? The same as the Marriott. I love these outlets here because all of the plugs fit in them. My 3-pin for my computer, my 2-pin for my tablet. It's great. Well, actually this one won't. But this one is the one that they had at the Marriott. They had all of those. And all my plugs fit in there, so that's awesome. And there are all the switches. So I'm still walking around to show you. Oh, here's yet another plug. Maybe that's like the other. I think I've only got one of those big multi ones. Here's another. Okay. Did you see what's missing? Here are more sockets. Okay, that's a cable. There are no USB plugs. But it's okay, I've got a plug. I've got a plug with a USB jack. So here's my view. We are on the 9th floor, and this is the view of Rajkot, which actually is not that much different to the view of Ahmedabad, except I don't have broken down houses right outside. This is apparently the best hotel in town. I do see there's some construction going on down here. I've actually got earth diggers there. I can still hear the honking, but unless it's just the time of day or something, this road isn't as busy down here. And I'm 3 floors higher, so it should be a little better. Yep, fun view. Yeah, I feel like I can see a long way, and if this mist would lift, it would be even better. Okay, there are cables over there. I don't know what they're cables to. Oh, there's a basket down at the bottom. I'm not sure that you'll be able to see it. Right down here. Maybe they were washing the windows or something. It's like there's a basket that you could go up in. Well, that's the room tour. Thanks for joining me. So we've come to the Flavors restaurant for dinner. We've placed our order. I had to take some advice on what to have that's not spicy from our party. But it looks like an elegant place. And we've got napkins and silverware. And we've got these complimentary chips, like fried papadums. They are really, really good. This is our menu. Prices, of course, are in rupees.
I'm going to eat this all. I like it. You like it? This is good.
Especially this is very good.
I'm hoping tomorrow I'll be back to trying a little.
So for starters,
Is it minty or spicy?
we went with the American cheese rolls.
It is made of meat.
Rajkot
They
Madu.
also add
Here they are.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't recognize them either, but they sound good, so we're about to eat those. They have some Mexican offerings,
I'm going to get a pork.
some Italian offerings, and Chinese offerings. Oh, continental offerings. Nearly missed those. Some Indian offerings. And I'm told that the Malay kofta is good and not spicy, so we'll just check that one out. I'm going to get some bread to go with it because it's just a curry. I doubt that we'll do dessert. The men might, but that will be too much for me. So this is my dinner. I haven't tried it yet. Came with naan bread. And I also have these accompaniments, which you can be sure I'm not going to eat. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have not given you a tour of this hotel, and honestly, I'm not going to. We'll be leaving here today, moving to another for a day because there was a mix-up with the reservation, and we'll only be in the new hotel one night, so probably I won't give you a tour of that either. You knew that it took me a long time. It took me several attempts to get a tour of our first hotel, and we were there 4 nights, so there really hasn't been time, and I'm not even sure what is at this hotel. It's a nice hotel. It just doesn't seem as friendly as the other, but we did meet a nice young lady down at breakfast yesterday, so that helped. One thing I did want to show you was out the window. We're on the 9th floor this time, so we have a really good view. But hold on while I turn you around. I think I did show you out of here when we first arrived, but I don't remember if it was daylight or not. So I've noticed that here and in Ahmedabad, a lot of the houses, the buildings, are white or light colored. So that's kind of different from home, where we paint our houses and have multiple colors. And these construction workers, I do think I showed you these construction workers down here. They start pretty early and they work till dark. This, I'm not sure what this is. Right in the center here, it almost looks like a taxi lot, except I don't think those are taxis. Maybe they're vehicles for sale. And look at the one to the right of it. They're also pretty well packed in. So obviously it's not a parking lot. Yeah, you'd park in the back and never be able to get out. Traffic on the road is hopping. And right down here, I'm not sure if you can see because it is a reflection of the curtains and of me. There's a green patch there. It's covered with a net to stop the pigeons, but it looks like there are pigeons in there that they're just getting in there anyway. I hope they can get out again. But I'm sure they're getting in from the edge there. There are the gate guards right down there. Can you see those? I'm not sure. Let me see if I can zoom in some. So right there. I'm not really sure what their purpose is. They stand there, but when we come in, they lift the bar. Last night they had like a gateway pulled across. They just opened that, so not really sure what they're guarding from or why they're stopping. Do they stop anybody coming in? Have no idea. Anyway, we'll see what tonight's hotel is, and if there's a good view, I'll get that for you. Back in Rajkot after about a week. We're only here for 1 night, but we're staying in the hotel we stayed at first of all. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the construction project across the street. They've really made some pretty good progress. I'm sorry it's not very clear. It's just misty this morning. Let's see if I can get us focused in. Okay, I think you can see it. Whoops, over here. They've dug that hole quite a lot deeper than they had when we were here. At least I think they have. When I go back and look at the videos, I'll be able to see. Looks a lot different to me now.